Congrats on creating your first interface. Zapier Interfaces gives you a quick and easy way to put together forms and landing pages that kick off a process. So here's what that could look like. Imagine you work at an outdoor retail shop and you have an idea for a summer campaign for kayaks. Spin up an interface. You could brand it with your company colors and pull in a logo. Now you have a branded form that you can share with customers. They can fill out the form and order a new kayak. And now when customers are filling out that form, it's gonna kick off an entire process for your team. It'll be connected to a Zapier table where the orders will come in. Whether it was filled out in the form or maybe through email or in person, all the orders can come into Zapier tables as the single source of truth. Your team would be able to reliably work with the data and kick off automation when they're ready, like sending an order, which would complete the fulfillment process and send the customer an email. We want you to be able to build and experiment quickly and easily. So go ahead, add a form, connect it to a Zapier table, and then view the form and fill it out. And you'll see just how easy it is to get things moving.